Today I'm going to tell you how to make your own rose water and rose powder at home. Beat the heat this summer with this amazing rose water. Rose water has cooling properties and you'll feel very refreshing after using this. So first let's see how to make rose water. To do this, you'll need fresh paneer roses. You can buy it from nearby shop or check the link in the description for organic paneer rose petals. If you're buying it from shop, make sure you buy organic rose petals. Before making the rose water, wash the roses thoroughly in water. Now take a vessel and place a stone in center of the large vessel. Now put a small bowl on top of the stone. Peel the petals from the rose and drop them into the vessel. Pour water into the vessel over the petals until it immerses properly. Bring the water to a boil and then reduce to the lowest heat possible. Now invert the lid and place it over the vessel. This will allow the steam to collect and drip down to the center of the lid and eventually drip into the bowl. Put ice on the top of the lid to encourage the steam to condense. Or you can also put the ice into a cover and place it on the lid. Simmer for at least 30 minutes, replacing the ice as it melts. Once it's done, remove the vessel from heat and let it cool completely. Very carefully lift the lid so that none of your melted ice water falls into the vessel. Carefully pour the rose water that has collected in the bowl into a bottle. You can use this rose water twice a day as a toner after washing your face, or as many times as you like. Now let's see how to make rose petal powder. Rose petal powder is really simple to make and has numerous benefits. Wash the rose petals and spread it on a plate evenly. Dry these rose petals in shade for 2 to 3 days. Once it dries, blend it to a fine powder. And your rose petal powder is ready to use. So in the upcoming video, I will show you how to use this as a face pack, as a face scrub and also as a bath powder. Stay tuned for more updates and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.